how to perfectly insert your AdSense code in your Blogspot blog. You click on theme, you wait till it opens. After that it has opened, you check for the three dots. You want to open the source code of your Blogspot, so you click edit HTML. You wait. After that it has opened like this. You could see the head tag, that is number 4, the head tag. You place your AdSense code right below the head. This is the AdSense code. You could see that the AdSense code has been selected. It has been highlighted here. This is where you need to insert your AdSense code. After you have successfully inserted your AdSense code, you click save. You click on save. You wait till your theme is saved. Now let us check how the AdSense is performing on this website. You could see the AdSense showing on the website. This is the AdSense showing on the website.